everyone. March is National Kidney Awareness Month. And for the next 4 weeks, each week I will be posting a kidney disease recipe. So online I found this site, The Kidney Dietitian, and it has recipes for kidney health. And I found this delicious looking recipe that I'll be making for you today. So today I'm going to be making black bean Pico de Gallo. Now this recipe is for the people with kidney disease that still have good potassium levels. If you have bad potassium levels, this recipe is not for you. However, if you have good potassium levels, give this recipe a try. What all do you need for the black bean Pico de Gallo? 2 large tomatoes chopped, 1 15-ounce can of no-salt black beans, 1 jalapeno pepper de-seeded and minced, 1/2 of a large onion chopped, 1/2 cup fresh cilantro chopped, 1 lime juiced, a dash of salt, and serve it with low-sodium tortilla chips. So let's begin. So take a large bowl and combine all of your ingredients. The 2 chopped up large tomatoes, the 1/2 of a large onion chopped, the 1 jalapeno chopped, the 1 15-ounce can of no salt added black beans rinsed and drained, the 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro leaves, the dash of salt, and the juice of 1 lime, and mix that all together. Then put that in a jar, or if you want, just put a lid on the bowl and put it in the refrigerator and chill it until you're ready to use it. So they're all in the jar. I have a quart jar, I believe, and 2 half pints. I'll stick them in the refrigerator and wait till Dave gets home, and then he can do a taste test. So here is the black bean Pico de Gallo. Let's get Dave to do a taste test.
There's a lot of texture to this. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.